If you want to save your survey in SurveyMonkey, the process is a little different from what most people expect, and in this quick guide, I'll walk you through it step by step. This is especially helpful if you want to keep a copy of your survey results, export your work, or save your survey in a way that you can access later. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides. Let's jump in. First, go to SurveyMonkey and log in to your account. Once you're on the homepage, make sure you're signed into the correct account, especially if you manage multiple surveys or workspaces. After that, click on your survey from the dashboard so you can open it and access the options for that survey. Now that your survey is open, look for the Analyze Results section. This is where SurveyMonkey lets you view and manage the data collected from your survey. If your goal is to save the survey information, this is the area you need to work in because SurveyMonkey stores exporting and saving options under Results Analysis rather than just the basic edit screen. Once you're in Analyze Results, click on Export. This is the option that allows you to create a saved file from your survey data. Then choose New Export. SurveyMonkey will begin preparing the export so you can download and save your survey information outside of the platform. At this point, it's important to know that SurveyMonkey may ask you to upgrade your plan. In many cases, exporting is a paid feature, so if you see an upgrade prompt, that means your current plan may not include this saving method. If that happens, follow the on-screen instructions and review your plan options before continuing. If your plan supports exporting, complete the export process and download the file to your device. That file is your saved copy, and you can store it for backup, reporting, sharing, or future reference. This is the main way to save your survey in SurveyMonkey when you want to preserve the results. So to recap, you go to SurveyMonkey, open your survey, go to Analyze Results, click Export, then choose New Export, and if needed, check whether your plan requires an upgrade. That's the full process for saving your survey and keeping a copy of the data. If you found this video useful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.